Welcome to How to Solve.
In today's video, I will teach you how to add all of your Instagram following on Threads. So you might be new on Threads and you want to add all of your Instagram following into Threads. So how do we do that? Once you are here on your Threads app, go to your profile. Then you will be able to see that I don't have any followers yet. And then let's click on that. And then go to following. And these are the Threads account that I have currently followed. Now, on the upper right corner, you will be able to see others you're following on Instagram that you're not following on Threads yet. And then see all, click on that. And you will be able to find the people or your Instagram followings in here. And let's try to click one. So it says that you will be automatically be following this certain person when they join Threads. Now, if you want to follow them all, so just click this follow all. So it says here that you'll start following those who are public on Threads and a request will be sent to those who are private. You will automatically follow others when they join Threads. Now hit confirm. Now let's head back into our profile. Let's click on this again. Go to following. Now we can see here that from 2 following, it became 3. This means that we have added or followed a person that already has been on Threads.
Please like and subscribe for more content. We'll see you in the next one.